The Magic of Stem Cells by Grace Victor. Did you know scientists have used stem cells to create lab-grown mini organs? The who, what, when, where, why, and how. Theodor Henrik Boveri was the first scientist to coin the term stem cells, although he first used it to differentiate between germ cells and somatic cells. Stem cells are cells that are known for being adaptable and regrowing tissue quickly. Stem cells were first discovered in the 1800s, but it wasn't until the mid-1900s that people began to realize their power and the things that they could do. Stem cells can be found in almost every part of the human body, from bone marrow to blood vessels to brain cells. We use stem cells because they can quickly regrow tissue. However, their full abilities are still unknown, and I cannot wait to research it. To use stem cells, they must first be extracted from the donor, then injected into the receiver. Once injected, if not rejected, then stem cells can begin to regrow tissue. This is a sample of bone marrow stem cells under a microscope. Stem cell advancement. Knockout mice study helped geneticists discover which genes were linked to specific diseases. 2. The first human embryonic stem cells were grown in a petri dish. 3. For the first time, Professor Christine Memory created beating heart cells from stem cells. 4. Yamanaka won a Nobel Prize for creating induced pluripotent stem cells. 5. According to an article on ScienceDirect.com, scientists can now grow mini organs/organoids from stem cells, including brains, lungs, blood vessels, hearts, many organs. 6. An immune cell called CD4T that could be used to combat tumor cells has been discovered by cancer researchers from Emory University. Pro. Stem cells can be used to regrow tissue quickly. Embryonic stem cells are best for this. Con. Ethical issues with embryonic stem cells. Christians in particular are against them. Pro. Stem cells can be used to help alleviate symptoms of diseases. Adult stem cells are best for this. Con. There is a risk of rejection. Possible solution to the embryonic stem cells ethics debate is the pluripotent stem cell. This is an adult stem cell genetically modified to mimic the characteristics of an embryonic stem cell. The future of stem cell research. Stem cell research is a promising field, with untold mysteries and excitement ahead. We have barely scratched the surface of what they can do. We need to keep learning and researching stem cells so we can better understand ourselves and how our bodies work. Furthermore, the future of stem cells could mean more effective treatments for multiple types of cancer, sickle cell anemia, Parkinson's disease, and even Alzheimer's. People like me that want to work in this field one day need to learn from the great stem cell researchers of yesteryear. Stem cells are the key to a brighter future for the whole of humanity.